Yo, Abafo, Kwame, Ghana citizen, friends. And then me follow us on Facebook. US Encounter TV. For and then the subscribers. YouTube ni na Onyankopon wo hira mo. Onhwe mo so. Na omoa. Na oni so be hu ni na nti mo mo. Ye so. Ye wo gidie. Enye gidie a wo yiti mo nko a. Ye wo da so. Ebe ko so bi akukuduo ene ene den. Eye kemaden. Adia tu ehun se Ghana be you se enye you etina yankasa yeso ye be yire ho aye fo modie bia ye mfa ye ni ntu obi aso na no na me ni obi di nkomo so ho eto da bia frustrations na ye wo Ghana no challenges na ye wo Ghana no difficulties na ye wo Ghana no won hwe ya entim ma won think right won hwe ye bitimo abroko the genius in you. One share bit my broker the talents within you. One share bit my broker the gift within you. Because the general communicate out there never be say Ghana heading. Ghana head a failed state. Ghana ain't muntumpon. Ghana ain't munye. Ain't ye be ye ain't that's what homa you to ni. Ain't and that's what homa Ghana ye. That has become the general communicate out there. Mind you, speech is very powerful. And some idea no can is so powerful. It carry weight. And the rate at which you near money for a motherland Ghana as an individual and as a person. So one ye now within you one tias ye. Wo nipa ko ankasa wo ankasa ameno okasa wo ya problems within Ghana no aye highlighted on Facebook live no problems within Ghana aye highlighted on YouTube live no problems within Ghana aye highlighted on television stations and radio stations no now one share ya e be dominate or thinking pattern one share about the dominant factor within your brain your mind your brain faculty. When she about be vision poa oda wo ti betima hu when she betima better than dreams ya oda hu na niema oda hu no de odwene ho empe bebre no eno na ye niema when she ya betima taking hold of your life wa e betima translating it into a physical reality. Into the short message here am here some recall the import of this message is that life sometimes has to go through struggle. And some of the better part of life, it might expose them. And sometimes also what I give it to say gold. For you to see the brightness of gold, for you to see the beauty of gold, no? For you to see how shiny a gold can become, no, it has to go through fire. Sometimes in life, no, if you don't go through pain, you don't gain. If you don't go through trials and testing moments, you don't have, or you're not going to have any testimony. Obi biara so a life I'm not gonna down biara or sorry with experience. And what I can do to charge the Ghanaian youth out there is say in the midst of this social uproar, I fighting in Naya Kasa, add a voice to the masses to draw the attention of our leaders, to call to the attention of our leaders that this is a problem facing us as a country, this is a problem facing us as the Ghanaian youth, and you need to address it so that we can also live a better life. As we do that, you as an individual, you as a person, say one tenacity man june nipa ko wo ye ne de wo person wo life you within Ghana dia the overall phrase beto Ghana so a aya beye mununkum eya kata Ghana so no wo so betima kata oda ye so so betima kata wani so ani mu so betima kata o talents obo ade dey small so fabulous as you so betima kata ni nyina so. Mind you, the visions, talents, gifts, any abilities within you, no? It doesn't need the country Ghana to flourish. Answer what much I say is the it doesn't need the country Ghana to succeed or to prosper. answer na wo as an individual what man shall say would be. Mind you, despite the fact say Ghana yet then Ushia Ghana for 10 years, it is becoming possible to say 8 and mind you, the two no ADA, the two no live life, the two no bring their dreams into your reality. Mind you, and you'll be on Ghana ODA just because of your politician. And you'll be on Ghana ODA just because of your member of parliament. And you'll be on Ghana ODA and I say, make it up in life just because of say our political affiliation to MPP and I say NDC. And you'll be on Ghana in the midst of this crisis, in the midst of the challenges and difficulties, ODA just because of say, the forebearers live years can be the same man, until obeying inherited ODA. Despite the hardship and intimidations and troubles, if you see a country Ghana right now, if you see the Ghanaian youth already Mississippi, at the same country, no. So now your Ghana form land and my everything say they are looking beyond the problems of Ghana. They are looking beyond the challenges of Ghana. They are looking beyond the troubles in Ghana, and they are thinking about what they can do for themselves and to also do for the motherland called Ghana. What this critical time say opportunity anybody akwanya bi anybody nipa nyina suffer nipa nyina struggle pa adwuma gompa ya wunya bi no. Some people have also endeavored for themselves, say whether good or bad, they will try to find something to do for themselves. That thing wouldn't have anything to do with the government. That thing wouldn't have anything to do with the private sector. That thing has all to do with themselves. And to me, I have a broadcast way. The person may say, two people can be looking at a problem. One person will see the big object as a problem, but the other person will see an object as an opportunity. May say, two people can be looking at the same object at the same time. They can be observing it. One can see the object as a problem, as an impediment, as an obstruction. At the same time, the other person looking at the object, wouldn't also see the object as a problem or an impediment or obstruction. But that person can also see the object as an opportunity, aren't you? Because that person can reason and think beyond the object to say, if I can get across this object, if I can get rid of this object here, I can see opportunity behind the object. And I said, the object that I'm seeing right now, that seems to be a problem. No, what can I do to solve this problem? A bit my creative opportunity. Amanipa. Until the entire day, every way you Ghana, I can say, you many Ghana, my general credit. A Juma or Ghana, a child mind be a was a series. A Juma, a Ghana, a child mind be a was a series. The entire employing folks say more Ghana, they say what they can see predominantly in Ghana are problems. Now, so when you say problems, say Ghana in a Juma. And your problems now, says I will solve or fix here, a better near Juma. Your gas as you choke a Juma. Your street is why I time, a your problem, but a Juma. Your car acquire a sort to a problem to motor riders, a problem to vehicle riders, but a Juma. And we are educating in a go Ghana. A big problem to us, but a Juma. Yesuku Daya, a bubu, and so to Aria Ponquadano, a problem to us as a Ghanaians, and a Mokosu, but a Juma movie. And see, I be a right, a problem or Ghana, a Juma. But the empire for Omuntimun take smart. Omuntimun take sharp, and we say. Near your problems that facing Ghana youth and also Master of Wakasano. Some problems, they better turn the problems into working opportunity. I'm a Ghana for you to know. And into a Ghana Gusa Yabla, you with the solution, you with the way out. The entire question will you come where you will say. So, question will lead us or sorry, or social problems a bit more fixing. Because question will you believe we say, the more you fix problems, the more opportunity and job you are creating. And to Ghana, you numerous problems now facing. Your numerous problems are air threatening your life. Your numerous problems are air challenging your life. The moment your government never international by now says how problems here are facing in your opportunity, and your working opportunity, and your job opportunity. And to mention me fix it, mention me put a solution to this problem. No, Ghana ain't even rise that. That is the only solution that we need. Missing problems are all Ghana in your juma. Your throw na nanka kwaneswa. Kwa na meta ba ko achia ka na kwa na achia nyina no e your problem but e adwuma the enti ye adwuma no say government ni betima je loan no wetima ma poso ko just have build better cars ye betima use as trotro I no betima employ nipa bebre etima say employ mate for bebre etima say abo ma eye ordinary citizens no o wetima kwa kodi o dwa ko mo betima ba enti niam bi ye hu Ghana ye problems ye face na eye economic opportunity ye job creation opportunity eye working opportunity am yen say government can put solution to it here enti adwuma na uba kwesi goni ko ma abu no enye say adwuma no it is raining itself from the skies and it fall to the ground o adwuma na ado so kwesi goni ko adechie na de saye bia mu ye the fast eh kwesi goni keep on looking for problems here obetima fix it obetima put solution to now create enabling environment create economic opportunity amobi enti me sraw sabane se onya minia a wo ye Ghana ni a obetima nya akwanya hwe me live broadcast we ampanifo so obi nse todo e matoa obetima ye ho yie na se Ghana betima ye wo yie nti se Ghana nya na dwen so obe ye wo yie se Ghana nya na dwen se obe boa wo am wetima bring your dreams into reality wetima you die so no every wetima dey about physical manifestation minua take your own life into your own hands take your own life into your own hands mind you say ye 10 youth ejina wo Ghana say emu nine ebe su say Ghana yedene emu nine ebe su say Ghana lack economic opportunities here be emu 1% no anybody because most of problems now ama 9 out of 10 youth no ka say Ghana enye worthy to live in no almost betima who say problems is a opportunity if they can find solution to those problems here a betima ba be create enabling environment any job opportunities ama youth no ma frustrated no entini near youth ye be ko so aye Facebook campaign no ye be ko so aye fix the country physical demonstration the protest no but that in itself doesn't solve your problem that in itself doesn't put food on your table that in itself doesn't buy you shoes to wear that in itself doesn't put a hat on your head. If you want to make it up in life, you have to endeavor, you have to risk, and you have to sacrifice for yourself. Me say, a Ghana man said yes, say, a big creative enabling environment among all Ghanaians. The country Ghana, I said yes, say, and I said the leadership of Ghana, Oma said yes, say, your abundance natural resources na yet so. Omu be issue to the benefit and advantage of every ordinary Ghanaian. But so when your margin so that in itself no doesn't tell you say you failure. That in itself shouldn't become your reality, say, because the government is refusing and failing to utilize our resources to our benefit. And it means say also want to live a prosperous life. You don't need to accept that reality. No. Mind you, me ni ye movie be break timu nya kwan ye timba life ebe kasa. Na ye te Ghana sa na ye frustrated. Na ye te Ghana sa na ye hu ani da so bia obia. Now yet again as I heard maybe an but still now we are having the burning desire. Now we are having the zeal and the passion and enthusiasm to succeed, despite your challenges I confront you. Until we took life on ourselves, we endeavor to rise and to live a successful life by ourselves. And mind you, would it just be someone say? Now we can say, what is the motivation factor? And I encouraging go for we to risk everything. Say okofuru boat e dey across Mediterranean Sea e dey across Europe. What is the encouraging factor? What is the dominant factor? Push a branch of yourself by risking the life. Akofa Sudan desert so. Akofa Arabian desert so. Akofa Niger desert so. Nim say 70% chance of betima wu and a 30% chance of survival. But still on tomorrow risking the life akofa so. Adentia. We're taking the destiny into his own hands. Say the government in power no enye na dwene say obey you see a natural resources to ono ne benefit na say to ye na benefit ya ono nko be taking the life upon himself no no aka say ti my ndievo akonanim isa sempanyin forces so ngu ya uni ndi obenya enti egusu aye can face the country no me say Ghana country ye betima face ya a black Ghana be fixed to understand ya ye na ye ni beje ni e be feel comfortable e be feel honorable as Ghanaians no e bia na ye wu bia na ye wu go. And your campaign I build momentum. And the campaign because say you put your muso for so and now you wukwa in Chilima and the posterity and the next generation of every bit muso for so. By yen I tiasia yakasa banish won't fieno. Your solution I may prescribe the amount say, look beyond the problems of Ghana. Look beyond the borders of Ghana. Look beyond the challenges of Ghana. Look beyond the problems of Ghana. In a broader perspective, in a solemn reflection, if you sit silently and quietly and you are thinking for yourself, the problems that you are seeing around you, the problems that you are seeing on the street, the problems that you are seeing in your community, in your environment, in your hometown, in your cities, in your urban and rural areas, what can you do as an individual about these problems? A dear man, a bit my family, my challenge, and what my promote, and I said to the prayer one castle bravo. These are some of the things that you to know. We have to bring our attention to this. Men are making Ghana Sanamaya frustrated. A dear be a may be an intimate. We will school be pronounced certificate in a my after some page my me was school not very good in savings because me now Jimmy was school say college year marshal says in the next 4 years and then in maybe into why don't I sit down and endeavor to make sure I will be doing some investment savings? Me and Kasa my friend investment savings. And your savings I may make my investing. Until me imagine say may investment savings. As a children say me save for investment. As a children me college just be a certificate, you know. Now some me share you must abandon into my employment. The private sector into my employment. Me papa na me into my employment. Me and Kasa into my employment. It's my employment Kasa me. Me ye savings na me we school, me we college no. Na me kura sika kakra. E na me sha say abandon into my moa me. Na se private sector na into my moa me. Mabusua into my moa me. Na so obi into my moa me a. Me an Kasa me boa me ho. If you say me nyankopon osuma me no. Osuma me nko as an individual. Osuma me nko as ankonam. And visions and the purposes we go me no. Whether the country gonna help me or not, no, I will live a successful life. Until me shall say an investment and me savings me blah me share me college I say from level 100 no. Me shall say after my graduation me investment na me sika manya no. Me shall say me ankasa me dey me businesses. Until me tia a wo hwe me sa no. My poultry farming da. My poultry farming da. E wo Ghana. Sabana me poultry farming wo Ghana no. Na Ghana said ye tie ne ya. Na akwanya bi ani ho. Politicians ne ye corrupt. Society ne ye corrupt. Abamu mpanifo ye corrupt. O ba adwa ye wunya bi ye sikasem ho aye dene. Bibia ye basa sabra ni mu ana na mitimo ye poultry farming wo Ghana. Me ye poultry farming na me nya profit kakra bi a enkofo bi ye bugata wo mu ana me ye say no. Ghana for ye trustworthy. Ghana for ye honest. Ghana for ye people a obetimi o my business. Enti poultry farming na business be a demand say say utimi nya partners. Se unkosua na ye ready e betima akoton ammo na mo so ma ji nkosua mo akoton no mo ton sika ese fata no o mo mfa ba nti say me poultry farming na me ko so depend on nkofo bia me nkosua ye ready o beton na so mo ton be di sika na dia me ankasa me gyan na me gyan sika akra me nyan no me dia ko pay aduma foforo ya me depend on any partner and na me koko be a small provision store in the form of supermarket me friend supermarket because e ba be ye kese e o Ghana pa and na me say provision store na say. And I also may year me down so close to 2 years. And also so a problems in the brain, Obi Batoadia, Obi Bossi Minisika, you bet you make up so into the film, I dare not to a sign also a sign. Mesaka get you on the Baba, Mesaka get you who you, and also problems on the SMJ. And a stack a creminier. Mesane call into bread baking. May my baking bread that, my baking bread that. Na abusuafo bi ana me ne omo ye wa asoro ba ko me ne omo kasa ye e na mo ya we se ni wo sika kakra mpese me die businesses nti omo ye nyan fa yitin sa woni ehu business e betim gyan e na abusuafo no omo ne medwonton na ye se oven bi si wa oven na ye unattended to ti se me wo sika betim gyan sha se ni yetima bake bread tea bread butter bread any sugar bread ya me mfa sika ni wura mu ni empushi e be yie e na me ko invest wo ho so e no so me ya close to 1 year Masafro and the members na me omo yes investment no omo nyina ma me nsasi fom omo me investment ni nyina ye kwa mabama mu sika kakra bi a after say me lose sika bi na kakra na ye kai no e na me sande kokko renting container me de kokko renting container me sha say me ye mobile money businesses me be ye mobile money vendor na me ye mobile money o fiapre obi a oni fiapre bia no o ko carry invest ya o ko capital invest na akwan so me ko ji container bi o ha no be ye mobile money vendor me the mobile number yana kesi pa and also me year for close to 1 year Just like my business to business to business to business. Ni na many so di hu. Ah, me person me timu nya free sa business is na me ye no. Na me timu achieve. And you know, we are so frustrated, we are so intimidated. So I resolved and settled upon myself. Say the only way out for me in bringing my dreams into reality, in bringing my God-given talents and opportunity, in bringing my God-given talents and gifts into bear. So I be able to my boy humanity. They say in bringing my purposes of God. This one say me to family as I see we so for to bringing everything to reality. No, I see it to come out of Ghana. And I'm a chance to say me look for opportunities outside Ghana. And also me share ya baby. Do na ya ntoro kakra bi na na I say legitimate kakra. And at the legit no me ya ba say me take advantage of it. And also me go invest in sika ho. Me tutu kwan ko 6 countries. 6 countries na me kwan no. E san say na akontu na me kwan na me Davis ada konti no na nka say ma ya dene. Ntima nya say o country bi a me ko ye. Intina de aba nyina na say si kuntu nya na kira na okọ. Nti obra ma bere nyina echi ni sika ma be se ni nyina echi sanye yi amesan ko bachi. Nibia edu ba bere me catch them who are control mu say frustrations and who organ e push ni ma me timutu kwan e call outside ya mako 6 countries no. So 6 countries na me ko say mentim so anya setena wo ba bia na say ho ntima njeme. Na me say akọ back to Ghana empty handed na me ni sika me de ko Ghana. And you me pese me who are control dan say me ka say me ko back to Ghana. Me wo ko kire me who are control more to understand to say Ebra me yama me person me go back to Ghana. Me ntima twa direct take it from country na me wuna nko Ghana. As I said, the last country I me call answer me call Ghana in Malaysia. Me call Malaysia. Me hu sika nyina ko sa Malaysia. Enti ebra me regret ya me yes person me go back to Ghana. I said my brother say me come achi. Me to plan take it me ntima nto e take it that could even take me from Kuala Lumpur Malaysia capital na direct to Accra. Enti me to take it na ko see Lagos. Murtala Mohammed International Airport to Lagos. One of me to take it in Kokodu ye. Ndi me go do Lagos no. E ma me far bus. E to also feel Lagos e dey back Accra. So on me story. On me plans. When you na e dey na me yes me dey better life am no because my family am to aban so. Because me usa aban into me mo ame. Me usa private sector into me mo ame. Me usa papa na mama into me mo ame. Me usa mabusu afo into me mo ame. Yes me ankasa I wouldn't disappoint myself. I wouldn't say no to my dreams. I will keep on pushing. Now so me kwa mantin mo anye ye me saba bachi. Na etora bia se de mpanifo kaka se be say ade bi se ana ne yie nwan no e no kre na madwenya me se obra me ko bra control mu nyina ye kwa fa so bia ma so because how is it possible for me to go and waste close to 40,000 cedis na ko waste close to akani sika no 400 million na 400 million na ma kwata na kwata mo waste no amfa fa so bia mleme ba se ko waste se sika nyina me sa ne nsapan ba Ghana na me bai sra ni pa be sra me ene twetwe ni pa be twetwe me e be no betuma sa ba betena Ghana nti ne yesen ka Ghana de nka memba so me yama me say me wu ado control na mabusu afo nti munya me body nti musie de me de ni nguase ni shame e ba Ghana sa e na me to take it kokosi Lagos e na me fa bus from Lagos to Accra me bedu Accra sika mpa me de beto e take it from Accra to Sunyane if Sunyane na me ni say sika no nti ma chi ba e na ba then my girlfriend chi do be me wife no omo na ye contribution e na omo support me e na me to take it from Accra e de go Sunyane me go do Sunyane 6 months me share dem na me ntimi ndie obi ahu mi ana osere me obi ahu mi ana osere me na wo de wetima to kwan across countries emlantie na maye bi etimo risk my life e ko fa desert so e ko so Mediterranean Sea say ye ko Europe wo de wetima for plane across countries also ko e wanya nkra tenti wase aba nti na wo ntimi ndwane e ke kan se me di ne ho fa wo e di huru me e de ke ka say eni nguase nti na me ntimi bie 6 months na me shedam me shedam to de na dani su ni areho ba me shawa mi su nya no eni areho nya no me san plan e device strategies. Because I believe in life, say, if you are knocked down and you can look up, it means you can get up. And I'm one person who always doesn't, I'm one person, I will never say no to myself. I will be okay for the whole world to say no to me. But for me to say no to myself, I will never do it. I'm a very confident person in life. I'm very confident. I always see the better side of life. Whatever happens to me, I just interpret it to be something better, which is on the way coming for me. Even though I go through the pain and I feel the pain, but I try to translate the pain into a better success. As I said, it's more pain of a cocofa. Intimidation, when you device strategy say, send me peer from such shame, no any guassier, and nipa, Eddie disgusting now. I will start doing another business. I'm idea to point you because I can still not survive in Ghana. Me Ghana. No matter if get there to point. And to me, Pia Montano, na mani da so aka massage ba ko bia me ho kote me kontu no sa massage no ndie man ton da na me kokoton ye me kokoton ye me sanye sika kakra fi mu na me san chance se me die business ne kakra na me yes no me girlfriend na me na die ti ache wa twa me ache dodo me kwa kontu mu nya nto bo hye ne bo aseto twen me ya nti esese me timo reward no na me timo honor no na me timo ware no e wani bunyamu na e jase e bia na ma ye twempa no ena ene me girlfriend no ye kasa ye na ye sha ware abusuafo pene so ye tena ase ye ware ena me binya ho kani tina fe de ma sha se me be bo bla bla bo na me bo no nya me nko abi o oba asan be ka me ho nti ama life na ba be more challenging nti it demands more thinking, it demands more smartness and more intelligence to be able to live well, to please yourself and to also please a woman. And no more so na me what idea say oba we pa say the misi no na say the we say arrest na life ama me no me ngidi say ma setna me ne te organ no metima guarantee no better life for me pa ama no enti say e be critical e bia me person metima to kwan ja no but me san kai hu say bra me ya ma say be wale no me te papa na me ka tell me say me omu ni say me pa control but so omu me wa jinu o metim say me be wale o mo ba no say me to kwan ja na dia ene me say ma adwene because there is nowhere metima to kwan ja mo ba no organ unless say me kwa me de ne be ko enti na me vision me dream and bless the sense to kwan bio no say enye me nkwa bio me yira sa be kan ho enti na I was planning towards me to kwan me na me yire be to kwan I was working towards that enti investment kakra me di me sika na chance me de kwa koye no na sika me chance say me save no nketekete nyina na me save towards say me de bepe akontu ho opportunity me timi oba nyina akọ na me say whatever doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. He who fight and run away lives to fight another day. And never me call for money you soon ya rewo me nyina ningra betane success e bedane ani munya hye e ma me e bra me call CS countries and am adwen se makoko we see 400 million aba back to Ghana empty handed any person no sana me nimu se sa CS countries na me call no am me enough traveling experience e o me passport mu a and no be betima guarantee me no to manya better country e ye me number 1 dream country so etima ko nti me bi so me hwehwe connections na no mama CD e America ho connection che me na fa me yere ho na fa me ko me ho and I may say, implementing one corner, and a little bit more. Dear, going to the best support to me, Miracle. May time a year support to me, may some person push it, never be to Mokono. Me push the application, I feel a family you could do. Bryce is to submit the application, I call American embassy and American consulate organ on behalf of my wife. May my wife contract, I call you to an amount. You buy a call all round a connection or shame into a classic. Now, one can person you to convert to find that. No, may say. No, because I don't know what to say, sir. Me ankasa me no kasa ma ko CS countries me pande ko bo se be se to kwa ba me nya akwanya but me yire na nya na pese me buche me yire ma me tell me stop no se ma man so what me to kwa ko CS countries and one kasa from what me to kwa ko CS countries no o qualify che ni pa na nka pese me de o yire attach no na me present joint application mo so mo kwa American embassy no mo control mo la keke no and my application ye change no every nipa de hu na de be ye me din as the original husband for my wife and a cocoa husband and wife, of course, you can't try a lot. But maybe economy is a lack and a cocoa because he said, number 2 6 countries. America is a country, the answer with my basso, who have traveling experience. Into the Musama good decent country, many enough travel experience, a credible. You quote interview to more answer questions here, you get money abesano, many and I'm going to attach them money in your coin. And Pampa, because of my previous travel experience, many getting it to Abesana, a America. Enti adie bia o pesa on setimu ka bia no abrabo bia life bia wan kasa wo hwehwa ma ho it will take sacrifices from you, it will take you to be it will take you to persevere, it will take you to be determined, it will take you to go beyond the limit say o pesa wo reach out to go no and for when into obia so me say the moment ya o be wa dwen sana so o be perceive o wa dwen mu say and I'm out to know be a man want to anchor Sababu. A do the critical stage, you will be more about the Ancasa nature, if you be a man about from about the wow. Timmy also pushy ya until self finally. Life, I may pama me, pama me, meaning get to figure about America said that it was our life. It took hard work, it took sacrifices, it took determination, it took fasting, it took time, it took my strength, it took my investment. It took it took everything from me in making that dream a reality. It wasn't that I went to sleep and I just woke up and I was in America. I worked hard for it. It tells me and convinces me that whatever you are looking at, whatever you are seeking for, whatever you are looking to fight for for yourself, no, whatever best and good life that you're looking to live in, no, wherever place that you are dreaming to be at, no, it wouldn't take a one day wonder. You need to work hard for it. You need to start preparing. You need to start practicalizing your steps. You need to start working the talks. Now, Osha says, oh, yes, sir. A Kwanan Casabi be a wetman Yaquana. I'm on set my idea of India. Timian Mogana for Nanten and Maya Motasamia. Ah, sister, I am frustrated. I didn't see more opportunity, Ghana. I'll be American trying to say, Ghana as a country can give up on you. Ghana as a country can give up on your dreams. Ghana as a country can give up on can give up on your talents and potentials and gifts within you. But you as an individual, you yourself, never give up on yourself. Never say no to your talents and potential and gifts within you. Unless it maximize it to your own benefit. And I know, say, as you do that, if it is possible, say you cannot do it on your own, and nature needs to bring somebody on your way to help you or to assist you. I'm telling you, say nature in its own wisdom would bring somebody in your way who will support you for your dream to become a reality. I'm using this message to charge you, to encourage you, say, never give up on your dream. Despite Ghana being hard, despite Ghana becoming hopeless, despite Ghana becoming a failed state, despite the politicians corrupting themselves in every second, you can still live a worthy life. You can still live a prosperous life. You can still live a lifestyle. Despite Ghana, that's will be anyone. Now, so by all this, all the determination will be nothing. Na be koso ahye omu nkran na ma obamu na be koso anante na be koso ahye oni da bia na se wote to na so be sorry na da bia obe papa ho mfuto no osia lesson from ahwe na hwe no se na be ya going for no hwe ase bi wa. I am telling you, say you will succeed and nothing can obstruct, nothing can become impediment, and nothing can hinder you from proceeding and I say from becoming successful in life. Until I'm just doing this short recording to charge on you, to encourage you, say we'll keep on fighting to make Ghana a better place. But if Ghana cannot become a better place for you, make yourself better so that Ghana environment can adjust to you becoming a better person. You can do that on your own. You can do that on your own. Sometimes you don't need to have the millions to be able to start. You don't need to have thousands of things to be able to start. The little that you are having, think about something, start something. And as you start with commitment and determination and sacrifice, as you keep on pushing, notwithstanding people laughing at you, holding you back, I am telling you, say nature will open itself for you. And you can still do exploits in the midst of your peers failing and becoming failure to the society. Oba de share on shows. Oma nsusu ye no hye nyina ntimo mbrɛ mu. And so de mu bi ekura wo afi 2021 mu. And so de mu bi ekura wo the month of July mu. Omo an ntimo mbrɛ mu. Ade bi a me no ka say wutu ho na mo investment bi a wo ye. O preparation bi a wo ye, savings bi a wo ye bi a oba de ntu so pantimo bu so. Na da yeso nti a wo de ye wo ye no. Oma eso ntimo mbrɛ mfaso. Na e ma wo no wo busuafo no jealousy ntimo nya hoto. Nyankopon nhyira mo kwa me Ghana citizens, my friends and my followers e wo Facebook nyina. O nhyira ma hwefo am wo YouTube nyina US Nkrata TV and me subscribers nyina. On share yen so until we see and meet ourselves again. Come the next time. May run some errands kakra bia kwanya foforo be bitima se hia me chiamu me nua Joseph Mensah be chiaw me nua Prince Citwin be chiaw oba de hwemu nyina so nka mo no ma de wo yen nyina ntimo nkoso. I will see you in my next live broadcast. Thank you. Stay blessed.